this collection, all the proceeds, they really go to different foundations and get to help a lot of communities all over the world. So, through the support of our customers, we were able to raise more than 1.5 billion Japanese yen, or approximately 10 million US dollars. 100% of these profits from the sale of these shirts, like what we're wearing now, are donated by our parent company, Fast Retailing, to 3 international aid organizations. So one is UNHCR, next is Save the Children, and Plan International. These groups were chosen from their commitment to provide aid to people impacted by poverty, discrimination, violence, and abuse. This small forum that we have right now, we really want to create more awareness on this one because we know that there are a lot of issues that we need to tackle, not only locally but globally. And you know, the world, a lot of people also coming from different countries, they get to live in the Philippines and vice versa. So we're all connected and we really want to address these issues. So for the newest line of Peace for All, as what we mentioned, it has been here for 2 years. And there are different collections. Actually, later in the store, you can check out the different designs as well from our other partners. For this newest lineup, we partnered with Magnum Photos. Each design depicts moments of humanitarian activities done in different countries by our 3 partner organizations. So we have shots in Vietnam for Plan International by Christina Demidel, Romania for Save the Children by Olivia Arthur, and Ethiopia for UNHCR by Linda Colin Subekwa. So now, when you wear a Peace for All t-shirt, you are not just supporting a cause, you're also showing everyone how a powerful single t-shirt can have an impact, and it has actually already brought, you know, a really huge change to a lot of people's lives in different ways.